How to get a refund on Lyft app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Lyft, enter your login credential as in your mobile number and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this home page. Once you are in this page, what you want to do is you have to head over to your profile picture and then select ride history. After that, you have to select the ride for which you want to refund. Simply review the ride by scrolling down and checking the details. Once you have reviewed the ride, now what you want to do is you have to move into the support section and then click on report an issue. You'll get to see this option at the bottom of the ride details. After that, choose the reason for requesting a refund. You can provide additional details if prompted, then submit your request. Once the request has been submitted, you should receive a response from Lyft support team within a few hours or days. After that, you will be able to get a refund from Lyft app, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get a refund on Lyft. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.